From the brewery to the lab. The Toxic Use Reduction Institute at UMass Lowell is looking to change the way the craft beverage industry cleans its equipment. It's all part of a grant from the Environmental Protection Agency.
For the first time, we have states are coming together, partnering with their own sustainable brewery efforts and reaching out to those facilities that really want to make a difference and a change and protect their employees, protect the environment, and make great beer.
Kathy Black of the New Hampshire Department of Environmental Services is just one of 10 pollution prevention partners taking on the task of helping breweries minimize the use of harmful chemicals in the cleaning and sanitizing process.
But we've been working in this sector for a while, and we have been pulling from each other's strengths and their areas of expertise and things like that to help us to reach further than we would have done on our own. So working together, we're just much stronger.
Kathy and others are working with lab staff at the Toxic Use Reduction Institute to conduct performance testing, and then will apply the safer alternatives in the field.
In the end, what we're trying to do is to take the program that we've developed here in New England for the craft beverage sector and be able to export it to other parts of the country where this can be implemented by other agencies working with other craft beverage producers so that they're using safer chemicals in their manufacturing process.
It's a program that will be spread throughout New England and beyond. A simple change that can impact so many.